Get ready with me to look amazing today. So we're gonna look amazing together. I'm gonna mix this Vichy SPF 60 with this L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion. I'm gonna mix it up and then I'm just going to slather it on my face. I'm not gonna do my under eyes and I'm not gonna do my eyelids because I have other makeup going there and I don't want it to be greasy and just looking all weird as I'm going out throughout my day. Then I'm going to use this e.l.f. color corrector right down here at the bottom because I tend to be a little bit darker down at the bottom, so I want to try to even out the color on my face. I'm going to use like a flathead brush to just kind of blend it in here. And I'm going to use this Bloodline Beauty Perfection foundation. I put some little dots of it on my face and I'm just going to blend this, and this is the only foundation that I will put on my face. Everything else makes me feel claustrophobic and icky and gross. Then I'm going to go in with this Bloodline Beauty Perfection concealer. One thing I love about the Bloodline Beauty foundation and concealer is, like I said, you only need a little bit. You don't have to slather it all over your face, and it will get the job done. Because one of my biggest gripes with foundation and concealer is that it feels heavy on my face and then it starts to feel sticky and super oily throughout the day. This came what it needs to do. This came to do what needed to be done and let my skin actually breathe. Then I'm going to use this Bloodline Beauty Bunny Cheek Blush and just dab that into my skin. I love a good pink blush. If you've been following my content for any amount of time and seen my other makeup videos, you know that my favorite blush is a pink blush. And then whatever's left of this blush, I like to go over my nose so that my nose can be a little pink too. And I dabbed on some of this Too Faced concealer here, here, and here. And I'm gonna use the other side of my beauty blender and then blend that in to give me a nice little highlight. Then I'm gonna put this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser on my lids and then just get that in there really good so we can set the foundation for my eyeshadow. You can see all the colors that are used. You can tell which ones are my favorite. So we're gonna take this color here, a little dab will do ya, and we're gonna cover my entire lid with that so we can again set the foundation for my eyeshadow. And then I'm going to use this light color here. If you're in a hurry, you're just going to use one brush and douse this over your lids right here. You want to go from the inner corner outward because we're going to put some other colors on that outer corner right there. Okay, we're going to use this brown here. And we're gonna put this, we're gonna make a V right here like that. Don't worry if it's not blended. Just kind of fluff it out here on towards the inner corner, and we'll do the blending after we do our next step. All right, and just like I did this side, we're gonna take this black color that I use all the time and just put it in our inner corner. And then we're gonna take a clean brush and blend all these colors out and in. You see how this side doesn't have any kind of harsh lines? That's what we're gonna do to this side. We just wanna fluff it out. Make sure these colors are married together so that they blend and flow into each other, and there's not like harsh color, line, and it looks kind of jacked. So we want to get that nice and blended right there like that. And I wear lash extensions, so I just give my lashes a quick fluff and brush out with a little lash brush. I don't have to do mascara, so we'll get them looking nice and neat. And then with this black color here, just like I did this side, we're going to fill in our brows on this side like that. I'm gonna do it off camera because it just takes me a couple minutes. Then we're going to take a nude color lipstick and just fill in our lips. Okay, then we're gonna do another step after this. I'm going to take this pink color I like this Fenty Beauty one. I think it's the color Riri. I'm gonna put it over our lips like that. And then we're ready to go. And some might say I'm being extra, where we're gonna change those E words with extravagant and elegant. I love these earrings, they're pretty. All right, let's go face the day looking good.